Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lazy Cooking Recipe. Today is going to be epic lazy because you don't even need to cook because I'm going to show you how to make Korean style preserved vegetable aka kimchi. So for ingredients we're going to have napa cabbage and this daikon. This one is green radish, Korean radish, and green onions, salt. I like pink salt from Costco because the flavor is really good. And then we need red chili powder. Got this one from 99 Range. You can still see the sticker. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, let's boil some water. We're going to use it later. Alright, let's going to prepare the cabbage. So basically, you don't really need to wash it. I don't wash them. I just peel them and check if there's make sure there's no box inside. So just peel them one by one from outer layer. About right here, and it's small enough. Now I'm going to cut it. All right. For these smaller leaves, I just pile them up and then cut it into half. And the bigger one, just kind of cut it, give a quarter cut, something like this. While you are preparing your cabbage, kind of layer by layer, I would like to start to add a little bit salt on top of each layer. I'm making a low sodium version, so you don't really need to use a lot, just enough to kind of cover it a little bit, and that's good enough. To repeat the process, one layer of cabbage, a layer of salt, just a little bit, just cover it. For green onion, I just like cut off the root, and then probably just cut it a little bit, 1.5 inches, 5 centimeters, something like that. Don't go crazy on the skin because this skin has a lot of flavor in it. So just kind of peel it. A tiny there is good. And this daikon is spicy itself. Oh, give it a strong kick. Ooh. So the way that I like to cut this one is kind of like dice it a little bit, or maybe not, a quarter, and then give it different kind of like texture. Slice it, or you want to dice it. I like to cut it to this kind of size. So we have everything together at this point. We give it another layer of salt. Don't need to use much because you don't want it to be too salty. And I don't want to wash it later on. So yeah, just a little bit. It's good enough. Well, because we don't use that much salt compared to other recipes, so the key is you need to massage them more so to make them soft. There you go. Start to massage them. Get the water out. You need to do this like a few times. Depends on how much you make. At least at this size should be done in a day. But if you want to make more, you probably will take a few days. By this method, yeah, you just need to massage them and wait until the salt get the water out. A lot of waiting period. Just be patient. Let the salt does its magic, and you just need to keep massaging them. And just depends on the situation. Maybe you need to add a little bit more salt. But yeah, just massage with love. Massage them with your love. Put into this kimchi with salt and love. Alright, around 10 minutes later, as you can see, it was like 4, and then right now it's like one third left. So the salt does the job and the massage. Now I'm going to add a little bit, another layer of salt. So then it should be good enough for this whole patch. Yeah, usually I make a lot, and this is just for demonstration. You know the drill. Just keep massaging it with love until it's soft and tender. Just getting there. You can feel it. Just let it sit for around 40 minutes and let the salt does its magic. And yeah, as you can see, there's a salt water coming out. Oh, can I see this one? Turn it around. Yep, you can see the salt water. So I'm going to drain. Oh, just going to take it out. And yeah, just take it out. We don't want the salt water. And let's get ready for seasoning. Oops. Alright. For seasoning, we have a few options. You can start to jog it as it is, because it's pretty good. You know, you can add red chili powder with garlic. I'm going to do red chili powder and garlic because this is the original idea. Just put in then more massaging. More massage. Yeah, you got the idea. Massaging all day. This looks pretty delicious. And for the demonstration purpose, I just add all the garlics in the patch. So yeah, we're going to have one flavor, but that's okay. You know, we can have different flavors, but for the purpose, demonstration purpose, we're going to make one flavor, and it's about ready to put them in a jar. Alright, it's all packed. And remember the water we made at the very beginning, make sure it's not hot and just cold enough, and just add the water in. So that's it. Kimchi you can use on a lot of applications like kimchi rice, kimchi fried rice, kimchi noodle soup, kimchi tofu, or whatever you like. Yeah, so stay tuned for other episodes.